This video is going to touch on a very important subject when it comes to livestock guardian dogs. Can a livestock guardian dog be trusted with birds? And the short answer is yes, they can. And if you don't believe me, let's just ask her. She looks pretty comfortable standing within a foot of her livestock guardian dog. So we're going to go into detail and show you specific examples of just how good a livestock guardian dog can be with birds with the proper training and the proper environment. So let's get into it. As you will see in this video, our guardian dog Cujo is safe with all birds currently on our property, not just one or two of her favorites. But it's a tricky thing getting a dog to this point, which is why the question is often asked: can a livestock guardian dog truly be bird safe? This question is often asked after a dog has injured, killed, or eaten a bird. And there are a few reasons for this, which is what I'm going to go over in this video. The number one reason for bird injury is putting an untrained dog in with birds and assuming things will be okay. Guardians need training, and they need more training with birds than they do with larger animals. Bigger animals can stand their ground, especially with a puppy or a young dog, and can teach them a few lessons themselves. Birds will always be at the mercy of a dog, and the only lessons taught are the ones taught by you. I will link a video at the end of this video and in the description regarding a very simple training method I used called the color system. How the color system works is it recognizes green, yellow, and red behavior in your guardian dog and how to correct it. The video focuses on training with larger animals, but it's just as relevant with birds. The second issue is leaving dogs that are too young with your birds. And this applies to leaving them with any animal that they could hurt. Even trained dogs are not supposed to be left unsupervised with livestock for roughly the first 2 years of their life. This is due to maturity. And you'll notice with experience that an adult dog's energy level really drops off at a certain point. And it's at that point when they are less likely to chase around and hurt a bird. In this video, you can see that Cujo is no longer in her early puppy stage. She has no desire to run around. She knows her job and is currently working at it. But when she was younger, she would run. This would cause the birds to run and the chase would begin. Her prey drive was high, and this would lead to many bites. So the moral of the story is, the older, the better for guardian dogs. Age, experience, and training will take your dog from a dangerous menace to a wonderful guardian. And the key is consistency and good habits. Train every day. Make sure you correct bad behavior every time it happens, and supervise always until you know you can trust your dog. But ultimately, you will have a dog that you can trust with any livestock, from a bird to a horse. Like I said earlier on, check out the video I link at the end for easy training technique that'll help you on your journey. I hope you enjoyed, and continue watching Cujo as she works with her birds and the rest of her farm family. Thanks again.